Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the new update on Systemi.io. Many of you know that a new feature called Digital Store has been introduced and it will be found under the Website tab. This feature is similar to Linktree, Stan Store or Beacons. But believe me, it's a fantastic tool that simplifies the process of selling digital products. For those who are not familiar with Systemi.io, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. With this software, you can run your entire online business. It is both powerful and easy to manage. To create a store, first we need to go to the digital stores. If you have already created stores, you will see them listed here. For a new store, click on Create. You need to enter the name you want to give your store. You can also choose a custom domain if you have already set one up. If you need help with the custom domain setup process, check out our related video. You will find the link in the I button and video description. Or you can use the default Systemi subdomain. You can also customize the URL path and the language. For now, let's keep the URL path as it is and the language as English. Once you are happy with your settings, click Save. Now it's time for store customization. On the left side, you can see the store preview. It has two parts, a header and a body. Now on the right side you will notice the edit header option in the customizer. From here we can customize the header. From here we can update the store name. We can update the store bio or description. For example, this is our demo store. You can also update the social media links and the store logo. Make sure to save your changes. To see how others view your store in the browser, click the View button and it will open in a new tab. If you need to update the settings you configured during store creation, click on the Setting button. Systemi provides some pre-made themes for the store, and to edit them, click on the Edit Design button. At the time of this recording, there are total 8 themes available. There is also an option to change the theme colors. I feel there should be a bit more flexibility in theme customization. Hope it will become more flexible in the future. Now let's see what we can include in the body. You will find two options here, add new product and add section. When you adding a new product, you have three more options. If you want to organize your external links like Linktree, select external links. If you want to collect leads, select collect emails. If you want to sell digital products via Systemi, choose sell a digital download. Let's add an external link. Here you can add an image for the link. You can also provide a title, a subtitle. You can update button text. And add a link here. You can see a preview of how the link will look on the left side. Once everything is set, you can either save it as a draft or publish it. In the same way, for lead collection, you will have option to update the image, title, subtitle, button text. Additionally, you need to select the input fields for the lead collection. By default, email and first name fields are shown. You can add more fields by selecting Add Fields. You can rearrange them using drag and drop. You also have option to customize the message displayed on the thank you page. You can do this here. You can save it as a draft or publish it like before. You can rearrange them here as well using drag and drop. Let's take a quick look at the store preview. Selling digital products involves a few organized steps. As usual, you can update the thumbnail image, title, subtitle, button text. The next step is the checkout step. You can add product image, title, description, button text, customer information, pricing plan, and payment method. After setting this up correctly, you will proceed to the digital download step. Here you will need to re-enter the product name and upload your digital product. You can also edit the confirmation email text here. Then, just like before, customize the thank you page and save as draft or publish. Hope you understand how to create digital store with Systemy.io. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.